So much paper locked in my vault. You name it, nigga, we did it. All my homies dead that got caught. But we out here still getting it. Hold up, who fuck?